Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make dhania chicken. I will show you the ingredients. So I have taken chicken here, 750 grams. This I have put saffron and little bit of chili powder and marinated it. Masalas which I am going to use, you can see this is dhania, jeera, ginger, garlic. We have taken green coriander, green dhania patti. This I am going to grind also. I have taken onions, about 4 to 5 sliced up. So come on, let us start the recipe. I will show you the other ingredients while making the curry. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Put some mustard oil. The oil is turned hot. I have taken bay leaves. This I will put in. Put in the chopped, cut up onions. I will let the onions turn golden brown. Friends, the onions are turned golden brown. You can see it. I have chopped up some tomatoes. This I will put in. I will put in the salt also. Let the tomatoes fry a bit. Friends, the tomato also is fried up a bit. You can see it. Now I will put in the masalas which I have showed. What masala I have put, that is ginger, garlic, dhania and jeera. This is the masala water which I am putting. Put some saffron, turmeric powder, because I have already put turmeric powder in the chicken, so I won't put much. Put some chili powder. I will let the masalas turn brown. Let it fry. Friends, you can see the masalas turn brown. Now I will put the marinated chicken. And I will let the chicken fry with the masalas. I will also put, this is chicken masala, put it in the chicken here. This is garam masala, this also I will put in. And let the meat, the chicken, fry along with the masalas first. And then I will do the next step. Friends, the chicken is frying along with the masala. You can see. You can see the oil also coming out from it. See the oil also coming out from it. The chicken is almost fried nicely. Now I will put in the dhania patti. I have ground this. You can see the paste of dhania patti. This now I will put in. Now I will let this cook also. I will put some water and let the chicken cook. Little more. I will put just little bit of water, not much, because the chicken is already cooked up nicely. So only little bit of water I will use. I have put in the water. I will cover it up and let the gravy turn thick. Friends, you can see the gravy is turned thick and my dhania chicken is ready. How nice it's looking, and it's cooked also nicely. Thank you for watching my video.